How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching ate it from the back.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Crystal Fruity, and we're here at the Nirox Sculpture Park. So your girl is just going around, and yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and see you in the next video. Bye. It's the sculpture park. Yeah, come on, I will come back. Eh? That's okay. So, I looked like, yeah. Anyway. So yeah, we're here at the sculpture park. We're just looking for the toilet first. Because, you know, outfit check. Yeah, I get nothing. Outfit check. So I think the theme here is white because it's beautiful. But anyway, let's come. So this is the outfit, guys. So basically, I've realized that most of the people when they come here, the theme is white. So Nami are white, and then my queen mother wore green. But then it's nice because it got some white in it and got some brown in it. It's a little bright and neutral. So this is outfit check. Outfit check, outfit check, outfit check. Like a banana mazaza. Yeah, girl. So this is the bathrooms. Looks nice, eh? Lush. So I found this place on this other guy's account. He did the great footage on this one. So I was like, nah, There's no way I'm missing this one out. So I definitely came by. Ooh. Okay, time for pictures. So dude, it's Nirox Sculpture Park. It's at Cooker's Door. Yeah. The ticket is $150. Like I said, they said it's free today. I don't know if it's for Mahala, just for the goodness of the heart or something. I don't know, but they said it's for free. Maybe they're gonna pay. I don't know, but yeah, feel like it's a rain. There's my little brother over there. Do you be pretending like he doesn't like this stuff? Be like, oh, let's go inside the photo. The next thing umuntu ngizijabulile ukuthi uhambile nathi lapha. Guys, I wanna learn a different language. You know, I know French. Even though I'm not perfect, but I know it. So yeah, I want to learn all those languages. Nalapit pa lang mo. The giant man. Ah, tsoha. Lena ga ra ka tsoha dimane yo. Baguette ha. Baguette hete ha. Na shona crocodile bo. Ora khona. The advantages of traveling during the week, you get the place yourself. Oscar was an agamogimate. Okay. Man, I get that, guys. I look crocodile. I'm getting me. I'm ending here. Hurry and go dimu. Maybe we could leave you a bit there. These are very pretty. I would literally get married here. Hoopy love. Sorry, it's a video. Egg. See. Me too, weird.